Bacteria, pathogens and disease. Learning points. Define bacteria. Give examples of bacterial infections. Describe how bacterial diseases are treated. What is bacteria? Bacteria are microorganisms which are single-celled prokaryotes. Some bacteria are pathogenic in plants and animals. A pathogen is a microorganism which causes disease. Dividing bacteria. Bacteria divide by binary fission. They replicate their DNA and divide into two cells which are exact copies of each other. Salmonella. Salmonella is a pathogenic bacteria which causes food poisoning. It is caused by poor kitchen hygiene and gives the infected person stomach cramps, sickness and diarrhea. To prevent the spread of salmonella, some countries vaccinate their poultry. Bacteria are known as prokaryotes because they do not have a nucleus. Gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is a bacterial disease which is transmitted by sexual intercourse. People with gonorrhea have pain urinating and can have discharge from their penis or vagina, however in the long term it can impact fertility. It is treated by antibiotics. Treating bacterial infections. Bacterial diseases can be treated with antibiotics, however they are not as effective as they used to be. Bacteria are evolving to become resistant to existing antibiotics, so there is a lot of research into finding new antibiotics to fight diseases. Good bacteria. Not all bacteria are pathogenic. Some are very useful, such as the bacteria in the intestines. They help us digest food, absorb nutrients and produce vitamins. Comparing to viruses. Bacteria are larger than viruses and can be treated with antibiotics. Antibiotics are not effective against viruses. Bacteria are living, whilst viruses are non-living organisms. Viruses only replicate inside a host cell, whilst bacteria can survive and divide on their own.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.